Scottish Gaelic words of the day, and we're going to do grandmother and grandfather because I'd receive that request probably more than any other. So I think we'll do grandmother and grandfather, and if you want the rest of the family, leave it down in the comments and do let me know. So for grandfather, Shenar. Shenar. But if you're speaking about my grandfather, Mo Henar. But we do have other words, so you could say Shen or Botach is I don't know, my old man. Grandmother, you would say Shenever. Shenever. And if you were speaking about my grandmother, Mo Henever. But I say granny, granny, but I spell it G-R-A-N-A-I-D-H because that's just easier for me to say. People know what a granny is, so I just say granny. And yeah, that's grandmother and grandfather in Scottish Gaelic. Make sure to follow along, make sure to save this, and let me know what you want to hear next.